they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes, don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
We are talking about the Ozobot Evo. Let's get this guy opened up and let me tell you all about what makes this one of the best STEM toys you can pick up right now.
This is a tiny, fun, amazing robot that your child can literally learn the basic ideas of how to code. It has sensors on the bottom which sense different colors on the paper, and it's able to pick up that color and know and learn the commands. So when we add the color ones, we can tell them which direction we want to go in.
Go! No! Wait. Oh my gosh, just like this much! Oh, I think we are tied.
The Ozobot Evo itself is packed with tech. It's got a hard polycarbonate shell. It's got 7 bright LEDs, micro USB for charging, built-in speaker, built-in Bluetooth. There's a lot going on inside this little guy, and you can even use different skins on it, like the one they included here. Unboxing the Ozobot Evo reveals that they've included a bunch of stuff in the box to help you get up and running in no time.
You can also control this with your smartphone and device when you download the app that goes with it.
The Ozobot Evo connects to your smartphone over Bluetooth. You got the follow mode where it'll follow your finger around. There's a music mode that allows you to tap on the sensors to play different music notes. There's also the Ozo Blockly service, which allows you to go in and customize exactly what you want your Evo to do.
Actual block coding and block coding language.
It's pretty much a cute tiny little robot that makes coding easy and fun.
Fantastic toy. I was very impressed, and my 13-year-old son was impressed as well.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes, don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. most places. There's never been a better time to feel alive. I found a way, we're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Whoa. Follow me into the underground. Into the
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave and by the time it's done I'll be gone. hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you ain't mine, and I'm lost without you. You still be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we had? Our issues run so deep, now